Welcome to Hello from Finland. In this video, I want to suggest you a short interview with a young researcher from the University of Lappeenranta, which is about 140 kilometers from Helsinki, or probably 160 kilometers. And we'll see Helsinki. So let's get started. Hello, Alex.
Hi, Alex.
This is my junior, and let's ask him a couple of questions. Do you live in Helsinki?
In general, yes. I can say that I live in Helsinki, but I work in Lappeenranta and in Lappeenranta University. And 2 times a week I travel to Lappeenranta, so I can say that I live in 2 towns. But majority of time I live here in Helsinki.
Do you like Helsinki?
Yes, I do like Helsinki. It's nice, and I can say really sustainable city. So yeah, I think I like it.
And if you had a choice to live in Helsinki or Lappeenranta, which one would you prefer?
Well, it really depends on your lifestyle and about what do you really want. If you want to have a peaceful and small town where everybody knows you and you can know everybody, maybe Lappeenranta is the better city for you rather than Helsinki. But in Helsinki it's all life, all Finland's life located, like a lot of restaurants, nightclubs, cultural exhibitions and museums and so on. Like in Lappeenranta we have only one museum, one movie theater and several cafes, and if you live in Lappeenranta you have been in these old cafes, but in Helsinki you can discover something new every time. So it really depends on your lifestyle, but for me I like to live in Helsinki.
You prefer Helsinki?
Yeah, I better prefer Helsinki.
And as an old man, I prefer small towns like Hamina where we live. So this was our junior, Alex, and now we're gonna go and see some, I wanted to say old town. It's not an old town in the sense like in Tallinn or Prague, but we'll show you downtown Helsinki.
Subscribe to Alex's channel, smash the like button and write some positive comments. Thank you for inviting me for this small interview.
You're always welcome.
Yeah, good luck with your YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Bye.
We just left Kamppi, which is one of the largest shopping malls in Helsinki. That's where we talked to Alexander the Junior. So we'll be walking down the street that is called Annankatu toward Boulevardi. Boulevardi is one of the most beautiful streets of Helsinki. Streetcars are so noisy, but anyways, I love streetcars of Helsinki. So let's wait before we cross. By the way, all streetcars in Helsinki are green. Don't ask me why, I don't know, but I love them, they are beautiful. So we're starting walking down Annankatu, and let's see all those beautiful buildings in Annankatu. Unlike Tallinn or Prague, Helsinki does not date back to the Middle Ages. Helsinki was founded in 1550 by Gustav I, then the King of Sweden. It was not intended to become the capital. At first it was a small town, just a port in the Gulf of Finland. Turku was the capital of Finland for over 2 centuries. Then in 1812, Alexander I, the Emperor of Russia, moved the capital from Turku to Helsinki. We keep walking down Annankatu. We are heading to Boulevardi, one of the most beautiful streets in Helsinki. Yet another beautiful building. At the top of Hotel Tourney, there's a rooftop terrace called Atelier Bar. From here you get stunning panoramic views of the city, a perfect spot to enjoy a drink and take in the skyline. We arrived at the corner of Boulevardi and Annankatu. From here we start walking down Boulevardi, one of the Helsinki's most charming streets, lined with old buildings, cafes, and a laid-back local vibe. Ekberg, Helsinki's oldest cafe, founded in 1852, it's known for classic Finnish pastries and old town charm, making it a perfect spot to pause and enjoy a taste of history. What I so much like about Helsinki, it's always clean and tidy, and I love its slow pace of life. Alexander Theatre, built in 1879 during Russian rule and named after Emperor Alexander II, this red brick building once hosted the Russian Imperial Theatre. So it was a short fragment of beautiful Helsinki. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please smash that like button. I will be very grateful to you for that. So if you disliked it, don't be shy and smash the dislike button. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you here again on Hello from Finland. Have a nice day, morning or evening, depending on your geographical location and the time of day. Bye bye.